Express my feelings in song!
Away from the Autobot!
Wait, I know you. I'm not good with names and faces, but I never forget that, partner.
My friends call me Black Arachnia.
Her eyes are red, red like blood. Her face is crawling with maggots, crawling with maggots. Whoever's touched shall also perish, perish horribly. Her face is crawling with maggots.
My dad's smarter than your dad.
We have the same dad, idiot.
Yeah, but mine's smarter.
I look good. I mean, really good. Hey, everyone! Come and see how good I look!
I'm gonna beat you like a rented mule.
Ah, this is bad!
Hi, I'm Wilford Brimley, and I have diabetes. It hurts me to pee, and it causes me to be short with my family. I can't sleep at night. The other day, I stubbed my toe and took it out on the dog. And 2 weeks ago, I ran out of vanilla ice cream and struck my wife. And then I find out my wife's been dead for 6 years. Who the hell did I hit?
This message...